Out campers, as you can tell, that's us back out on another one. This time we're back in Edale. We're at the bottom of the nab, and there's Craig just sticking his bear gun on. We was going to go up the nab and then across towards Woolpacks, but I think we're just going to go up Grand's Brook again and then make us way to Woolpacks. Right, let's get going. We've had about an hour break there. Got plenty of daylight though, so we should be right. And there's the Packhorse Bridge. Oh, lovely addition to the video, Craig. It's probably the best photo I've aired out you all day. Oh. Nearly. Yeah, I think my route was better. Just have another breath. Right then, that's us at the fork of Grinsborough. So you can go up that way where we've been before, you can go up that way where we've been before as well. And we was going to go that way, but we fancy going that way now, so that's the plan. Let's go on with it. Feeling it?
Yeah, but didn't seem as bad as last time.
No, it didn't, did it? However, I've still got about 16 miles to Woolpacks. And here we are at the top. A little look around. So that's Granslow Knoll just over there. Got some people over there. Yep, not bad, is it? Craig's looking rather fit. We just need to follow that flagstone path around Crowden Clough. Where we're heading, as we've seen before, that's Crowden Tower, like the waterfall, and in the distance might just be able to see Woolpacks over there. If you look down there, that'll be the Vale of Edale, Lord's Seat in the background with Mamtor. There we go, Crowden Tower, just up them stairs there, over the yonder, and then we shouldn't be too far off. Not too far now, campers, nearly there. Don't know, it's all odd, isn't it? It's all like bracken and stuff. Maybe, or they might be filling it in. Who knows? Who knows what's going on?
Yours there. Might not fit here. maybe I can get my if you want this spot. Oh, that looks like it's more sheltered out there.
No. You can go back there where you was.
Fucking bell.
I'll have a good pitch for a change.
For a change?
For a change.
You always have the best
I always
pitch.
give you the best pitch.
No, you don't.
I do.
Bullshit. The last time when we were over there, you had the best pitch.
Especially when you was a big beginner.
Once. You give me it once.
More than
With a, and then it turned out I was next to a dead sheep.
That was a good spot. Right then, campers, we've found this pitch. We've got about 500 neighbours, and this is the best we can do. So, without further ado, let's get the tents up.
Taking my time on my I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much.
Oh, my tent's fucked. Hey, tent's fucked. Out. Check that shit out. Bollocks. Let's sort that some out. Right, hang on, there you go. Start pushing through slowly. Right now, mate. Right. Should be alright. I might be able to get some patches on it or something. Right, hopefully that's that disaster averted. We'll find out later on, won't we? Well, as you can see, the tent's set up. We did rather well to get both tents in here. I did suggest Craig go up there, but he wasn't having none of it. He wanted to be close to me tonight, so that's where the tents are. Not a bad spot. Yep, so we're set up pretty much. Just some bits and bobs to do, but we're cooking tea first. I've just got the OEX Fathom usual mountain equipment map. You can see it's on a massive slope, so we're going to have to pack it out with all that stuff there underneath the map. See if we can get some sleep at least. But for now, let's go up to the cook station area. What's the temperature? It is 13.8 degrees. That's where we're cooking. Look how close we are. You're going to have to cross guy lines, look. Right, so for tea we've got 2 bloody burgers. Good burgers them. Celtic salt for the for the steak. Bit of butter, which we need to get in there now. We've got a grass-fed rump steak, should do the job, and then some chestnut mushrooms. That's that.
It's salmon, but it's like come off the skin a bit.
Alright, looks like chicken a bit. Sizzling away. You're going to burn it today?
No, I've got it on a lower heat. Well, I hope I'm not going to burn it today, but who knows?
That's thunder. Get all that blood in there too, lovely bloody jubilee. Get in there. Couple of dead men fingers again. It's not a bad little spot though, this is it? For the
What you mean
shit.
now that you've stopped your bloody bitching? Actually, I'm feeling quite civilised. Here I am, I'm having this, sat down, I'm fairly comfy, I've got Sky Sports.
Yeah. You ready to see that? Flash of light in it.
You are shitting me.
No, did you not?
No.
Did you not see the flash in the sky?
I was looking down here.
Oh, yeah. Well, I didn't see anything. I didn't know the sky went bright
Oh.
for like a split second.
Fuck's sake, this one forecast.
It certainly wasn't forecast. Looks like we're in for a bloody stormy night. I'll have to
Get it on the head bar light then, that'll be nice.
Someone gives you. You're cracking.
Well, it'll be in because he's higher up than us.
Yeah. Lovely jubbly, I love a good storm.
Yeah, but not when you're in it.
I don't give a
It's
fuck.
nice when you're in your house, looking out the window.
It'll be right, don't worry, I'll have you back. Yeah, it's not a bad little spot we've got here. Not bad at all. Out of the wind. Like I said, the only complaint is it's like being on the Truman Show, but other than that, we're alright.
For now, until the weather gets here.
Yeah, the update of the weather, it was supposed to be nice and sunny all night with no wind or anything, but it's obviously thundering and then we had a little bit of lightning. As long as it don't piss down.
It looks like it might.
Well, it certainly looks like pissing down weather. But we'll live, I'm sure of it. It's alright. Craig's sort of round shape anyhow, so he can just roll down the hill. Yeah, your belly should work like a Faraday cage.
Got to protect me.
Yeah. Cooking now, campers. Some chestnut mushrooms, cast red bit of steak there from Lidl, and some asparagus, however you say the word. Right, let me see if I can turn this steak over without any dramas. Oh shit! Oh, follow you! Oh! Get back in there, lads. Come on. There you go.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah, it's that lightning. Cracking, I've never camped in lightning. This will be a new experience. I don't want to die because I go on holiday on Tuesday. Cooked alright, innit? Not bad. Yep, pretty nice that. So as you can see, that's all gone. Get the burgers on now. You can see all the clags rolled in. Whoa, see that big flash? It's lighting in. It's maybe your focus go weird. Right, they're done. Yes, lovely jubbly. Ah, that's a bit warm. Right, well, we've had us tea, so we're just going to sit and chill out for a bit. Right, it's just gone 8 o'clock and we're still just chilling up on these chairs. Nothing really to report. Thunder and lightning stopped. The wind's calmed down and it's not even raining, so happy days. What are you going to do, Craig?
I'm off for a shit.
First ever shit with my trowel. My trowel's never ever been used. We're going to need a full review. In fact, I'm going to come for education.
Believe I've got to dig an hole in the
For educational purposes, I'm going to
come and record me.
escort you. I don't know why, but it looks like you're on the moon. It should be alright. Well, we'll see. Are you looking forward to this?
Well, I'm not looking forward to being recorded.
I'll
I have to say that wasn't part of the plan.
well, I probably won't get close-ups or anything. It's 1935, 25 to 8. All dicky dark. That's Craig returning back from laying a cable, shall we say. He had a tom tit, so we'll get the verdict shortly. But he does sound rather out of breath. So it was either a very good one or a very hard one. How did it go?
You what?
How did your turd go?
Very well, thank you. Slipped out like I'd greased it.
Sweet. So, did you get the older go okay?
Well, it was the first bit through the grass was hard.
But it left no
after
trace.
that-
We'd take a picture, but I don't think it's appropriate.
Nah, you didn't want to see that.
Right, anyhow, it's getting on now, so we're going to chill out.
Is it a big beetle?
Yeah, massive.
There was one over here.
Beast. You can keep on that. It's got some like purple colours on it, that's pretty cool. Started to rain, so time to get in the tent. Temperature is 11.5. It's a bit of a mess in here. And we've even been able to go for a wee. So yeah, happy days. Gonna try and get me sleep mat sort of level as possible. Don't think it's going to be very good though, but we'll see how it goes. Is it tough? I'll get to bed. Oh bloody hell, we've got a bloody fly or something in here. Get out. Bastard. Where that is. Get out. Oh bloody hell. I'm not a fan of spiders. Right, I'm just going to have to grab you by your leg, little knobhead. Fuck off. I'll give you a chance, innit? There you go. There you go. Look, he's alright. See, look, he's just flopped off. As you can see, the wind has picked up. So has the rain. Right, well, it's 20 past 11 and it's still lashing down. The thunder gets a bit louder every now and again. Bedtime. Morning campers, it is 10 to 7, 6:50. And as you can see, it is pretty fucking grim. It's not stopped raining pretty much all night. It's been like this non-stop. So I think I'm just going to stay in my sleeping bag until Craig wakes up. 07:25. So I'm just going to get me coffee made. And then I'll probably see about getting some scrambled eggs done. These to have, and then last night I had a protein bar, chocolate brownie protein bar. Let's have a look at this. Not far off. And I get the water in for you. Ah, you bugger, that's warm. Not bad at all. Alright then, big aeroplane. Now, I'm gonna have some coffee. Pretty bloody grim out there today, isn't it? So I'm just going to finish this coffee. Once I've had that, I'm going to start getting my life squared away and packed away while it's not raining and see if the trolls up. Right, there we go, look, we're pretty much all packed down. We've just got the tent to drop. Take this light off. A couple of bits and bobs to square away into the Bergen, which is just there. Not the comfiest pitch. My hips are hurting from the crappy sleep and it's been uncomfortable, but other than that there's nothing to report. We had a coffee, we had breakfast, and it's not raining now, so happy days.
I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on.
Well, that's us all packed down. Where I was just there, look. It's really windy, and it's all claggy. Can't see a thing. So I think I'll just call the end of the video here, because there's nothing literally to see apart from two middle-aged men struggling to get down a hill. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.